an olive tree.
Ah.
Olive? I can.
Big, really nice lawn here.
Going out of.
We've seen this at night, but these are our rooms.
These are so fresh and so organic.
Footwear from kids wear. So guys, it's morning and we all came to the viewpoint over here. Guys, we woke up at around 6 and it's super cold and windy, guys. Look at the view.
Tea and heard a train going, and that's the track.
That's the track, and look at the view.
Oh my god, this complete side is full of plantations, step plantations.
Yes, guys. I think there is a mill over there, right?
Yeah, the only one building.
Yeah, guys, that's the only one building.
No, there are some. And it's drizzling, guys.
And there is some construction going on in the railway track. Wow.
They are expanding or
What is that?
very cold. It's so cold. Oh my god, this is so nice. I should have taken one more hoodie. I'll get one more.
Guys, in the morning it was so much wind and it was raining also at the same time. It was cold. We were not able to get up. Guys, behind us there is somebody's ass. Let's see who it is. Yeah. Ta-da!
It is a 3-head person with 3 stomachs and 2 ass, guys. And it has 3 face. I mean 3 nose, 3 mouth, 2 eyes, 1 pair hands.
Yes, guys, but only 2 eyes.
It has 2 eyes as well. It has nail polish.
What?
Yeah. How do you know that? Red nail polish. I don't know why his body is divided into.
Oh yeah. Guys, I think it's a she also.
She has 3 faces, 2 eyes. And
Guys, we have no idea what this is, okay? This might be also not.
this is an illusion statue.
Yeah, guys.
It's an installation.
Guys, this was a
It should have some.
small viewpoint just in front of the resort that we stored.
It's really nice.
Guys, this is the garden of the resort.
Yeah. Everywhere it's garden.
Yes,
There are a lot of
guys.
plants and trees.
Beautiful.
Yeah, I know this flower. Very nice. I don't know the
And it'll turn pink now.
so at the back it's dark red. Yeah.
Guys, let's go there.
And actually in Harita Hill Resort where we are staying, there are a lot of compartments, like different names for different, apartments kind of sections. So now we are going to the forward sections, guys.
Okay.
We are staying at back. Oh my god. Look at the black crow. Its mouth is also black in color. Another weird structure there. Oh my god.
Guys, it's drizzling. You can see it's drizzling.
Yeah.
Guys, look at all
The
those.
view is so good. Look at that boy peeping from the window.
Really? That boy is peeping from the window. I think he's super bored. Yeah, guys, Drix likes the hairstyle of this installation, and I think she will do it.
It's a half installation. Half one, half another.
Nice, okay? I love the aesthetics.
Yeah, that and in the pictures
Guys.
the playground in the hotel. That is the playground.
Guys, there is a beautiful rock structure here. Wow.
Sit here and
Yeah.
chill. It was sunny. It would have been nice to
This is actually slippery now, but I'm gonna get on top of it.
don't fall.
No.
Even if you fall, take care of
We need a.
Oh my god, this is so nice. This is Goa plant. Shit.
Ah,
This is like
what?
a group meeting platform, guys.
Guys, sorry, the GoPro.
What around this? No. Olive? I think this is an olive tree.
Ah.
Olive? I said.
Bro, never Chuma saying something.
Don't believe. It's a wild guess.
Wild guess.
But looks like olive. Yeah.
Oh, really? Plug one?
No, these are not olive. These are something else. These are wild plants.
Guys, you know what it is? I have no clue.
If you know, please drop down in the comment box.
Ah.
What happened to you? Fell down somewhere? Not fell down. I just catch.
Guys, there is a lot of such thing. I don't know what it is. Is it edible? I don't know.
So don't. If anyone knows, please drop down in the comment box below. Otherwise, we'll keep on giving wild guesses and we'll misguide you.
Okay, guys, we're getting down. Bro, this is really slippery.
Okay, and have a playground and caves there. Look at those
Caves?
caves.
What is that?
This is the old housing of their resort.
Ah, those are the old resorts. It looks like a hat, right?
Yeah, it looks like mushrooms. And there is a playground there.
Guys, there was a road there. We were supposed to come through that road.
That looks like the home.
Guys, this is a big, really nice lawn here.
Going out of the
Wow.
area.
No,
Here
no,
they
no.
arranged a campfire last night.
Yeah, guys, actually they asked us if we need campfire, but actually we don't need. We don't need. If we could have stayed one more day, then yeah, because we have a lot more to explore than campfire. Wow, guys, there are swings.
Yeah, but I think it became forest. There are abandoned areas.
Abandoned park, guys. I think there will be ghosts here. Like Conjuring.
Oh my god, this is a ghostly.
Guys, just like Conjuring, one swing will start just swing.
And see that loneliness. It's already broken.
Guys, this is a round swing.
This is so nice, but the bottom is wet.
Shit.
She wore white now.
Kid from the it Georgie.
Oh my god.
Georgie.
I think only this swing is perfect, guys. Everything else is destroyed.
Zoe is coming. I just got shocked. Who is that? Somebody from the hotel cave?
I thought some shepherd.
Huh? Seriously?
Are we that loud?
Not at all. Guys, those are the small old resorts. Yeah, they can actually use it. Guys, the rain started really. I know it's heavy right now. Little bit.
But yeah, it looks like it will get even more heavy.
Yeah, even more. Guys, our raincoat.
Oh man,
This is so beautiful, guys. Look at that area. It's full mist. Guys, in this area, the clouds are so close to us, guys. Look at that. You can't even able to see much. Wow. In the morning, it was so windy that even, in the morning, I was not able to speak. I had this.
She was so
I just came out and I shocked after seeing the wind. I just came out, I thought it's raining, and when it opened, it's wind sound. I just shocked. What is this? I guess the government can redesign the playground there.
Oh God.
Do that.
Guys, kids like Nev need to play.
It will be really beautiful if we have such a playground spot. Anybody can play there, not only kids.
Hi guys, look at this viewpoint.
We have frequent cafes.
Yeah, we're spoiling the lawn here. Guys, so nice, so beautiful. Guys, it's raining. Guys, look at your hair. I can see the rain.
Guys, this is an evergreen rain. All the time it's raining.
All your hairs are like white now with the drizzling.
Yourself. I mean, the view is getting blurred because of the mist and the drizzling of the rain.
Okay guys, we need to get ready and we need to explore Araku Valley.
And we need to have breakfast also. Yeah, we are very hungry. We have hot sambar, idli and all. At 8 o'clock we'll get.
Ah. So guys, the canteen here will open at 8. So we're gonna get ready now. Okay guys, we reached our rooms. This is our rooms. You might have seen this at night, but these are our rooms. Right? So this is not our room, okay? This 1, 2 and 3, and this is where we all are, and that solo one is Shree's. Okay guys, so let's get ready. Yes. Guys, we got ready and we're gonna keep our things inside. Bro, is it dicky? Can I open it? Oh wow. It should be kept front, right? Yeah, this is laptop bag. Oh my god. Yes. We're setting up the place. Yes. Set to travel.
What guys, I forgot to take water. Essential.
It's done. Any more bags?
Everyone gets back.
Yeah.
I think so is
Oh, so? Yeah, we took. Bah, let's check if everything. So guys, we are in Araku Valley Market. We are on our way to Tribal Museum. So we'll show you the market. It's actually really big and there's a lot of fresh vegetables here.
radish, beans and all. Oh my god. These are so fresh and so organic. Both sides are food. Yeah.
Guys, you can see a small hut. She's having her breakfast inside.
That's hot rice, guys. Kanni in Malayalam.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Guys, there is a lot of rickshaws here and also there is a lot of small trucks over there.
Yeah.
They came with vegetables and also small shops are there where they sell this jackets,
Yeah.
sweaters. Yeah.
Really cheap price, guys.
How much is this jacket?
Uncle, he jacket ఎంత? Anna? Cost. 750. 750.
Ah.
Okay guys, each one is 750. Even Kanni, uncle? ఎంత? 350. Oh my god, 350.
I actually like this black jacket.
Is it cheap? It's not.
Actually, if we speak, we can get that is 750. We can actually bargain and reduce the price.
We can come back to it later. Way back.
Guys, these all are fresh.
I like the arranged
Fresh, organic.
That's why they're in small amount. Organic.
Guys, there's also shops on the other side. There is tractors.
Oh my god. Look at the hot breakfast.
Oh yeah, guys. Guys, we should have had our breakfast here.
Yeah.
We had it from hotel, so we are full now. Guys, there's a lot of food stalls here.
Oh
Wow.
my god, fresh cabbage is also there. Fresh cabbage.
So big cauliflower.
That's cabbage. It is like very big cauliflower, but that's actually cabbage, guys.
Guys, there's a lot of food.
Oh my god. This is one of the breakfast centers. People are having fresh, hot breakfast. And we can look forward, I think we'll find cabbage.
They can nicely shop here, eat
Yes,
here,
guys.
enjoy here.
There is few foodie shops there. Veggie shops. Again, lot of foodies and jackets. I think this place used to be a little more crowded with shops during the season time, guys.
This is off-season time.
Yeah, so this is off season and it's less crowded at this time.
Otherwise, you won't be able to walk also properly. It will be like Bangalore commercial street.
Even now the clothes have. Yo, look at that.
Guys, because it's rain, our shoes all got wet.
It's really wet.
Yeah, so we're finding a place where we can get chappals and if we can get 2-3 t-shirts. So let's see.
They need it so badly. Otherwise, it's gonna spoil the whole car. We were expecting everything.
Yes, guys. So guys, we
Same
came
size
to a
models.
nearby footwear shop here and Lit is taking her
Kids
footwear
wear.
from kids wear.
I get
See?
everything from kids wear. Okay, good designs are there. Heartbeat. Kids will get good designs, okay? There are few
Guys, Akka is getting us the best designs.
Pinga.
Pink. Come on.
You will like it. You will like it. I think this will fit you more than.
So guys, we got what we were looking for, chappals. And here there is a mutton cutting shop here. And we are going back to our car. The whole market is live, guys. It's so alive. Wow. It just rained and the clouds are still rainy. And look at the mountain. This is the market in between the mountains. Wow, guys, fresh vegetables here. And the whole crowd. And in front of the chicken stall there is this cart just came. this is the market area of Araku Valley.
Tribe.
There are the tribes.
We saw the same thing. Why I said tribe is I saw the same kind of jewelry style on her. So I just thought they might be the Dinsa tribe.
Okay.
We need to go back.
Yes, guys.